Today we're going to do an exercise on asking. So asking is one of the components of a conversation, together with listening and telling. If we just think a moment about why do we need to ask questions, I think if you don't ask any questions, you can come across as a person who's uninterested in other people. Think about it a little bit as everyone has something interesting, you just have to go and find it. Make sense?
Yeah.
Yeah. The first exercise we're going to be doing is you're going to try to ask 3 questions. So you're going to ask me a question and then you're going to ask 2 follow-up questions. And the idea here is to keep going. So not just ask 1 question, but to keep asking more questions.
What did you do this weekend?
What did I do? I wasn't feeling too good in the weekend.
What did you have for breakfast this morning?
What I had for breakfast? I think I had a rye bread and a coffee.
Okay. And what's your favorite color, actually?
My favorite color?
Yeah.
Yeah. My favorite color is pink. All right, let's just pause the exercise here. If you analyze yourself here, what is going on in this there? Because you're definitely asking me three questions.
Yeah, but they're not maybe the best questions, because they're not really, the follow-up questions aren't related to anything that you've been telling me.
When I'm sitting and talking, it feels like you're like pulling me from one corner to the other corner, like I'm being tossed around. Okay, let's try and do round number 2, where we're going to try and do 3 questions once more, but we're going to try and stay more on the topic.
What did you do over the weekend?
Yeah, so trying to read a book, but
Okay. What book is it you were reading?
at the moment I'm reading a book. It's about revealing things about yourself.
And when you choose to read this book or other books like it, is that for yourself, like for personal reasons, or is it because you use it for your work?
All right, we're just going to pause here and then we're just going to compare the 2 conversations in your own view and world.
I can definitely tell from your answers. You know, I'm getting much more out of you because the questions are also actually relevant.
I think from my perspective, when I'm telling it, it's definitely clear that you're not pulling me from one ring corner to the other ring corner, because we're staying on the same topic. So it feels much better from my perspective. And I can also feel how the conversation is evolving from something, skimming the surface on certain topics to actually getting a little bit more meaningful for me. So try and give that a go at home. Something we do here. It's really powerful, really helpful.